Hello everyone, welcome to my new video in the series of Python learning. I hope you all are doing well.
So in the last video, we learned the overview of Python. We discussed what is Python and we set up the Python environment and we also run our Python script. So today our topic is Python variables and Python data type. So let's start. So what are Python variables? Python variable, you can see in the picture, the variable is just like a box. You assign value to it and you named it something. In the picture we can see X is the name and this box is our variable, and what is value we assign to this variable is 100 in this picture. So in the programming language, a variable is a memory location. When we create a variable, it will create some memory in our PC memory. So in the programming language, a variable is a memory location where you store a value. The value that you have stored may change in the future according to your specification. So when first we create a variable, it create a memory location just like a box in the memory, and we assign memory to it, and we can reuse this variable in later in our code, and we can change that value and we can do our action with that variable. Okay, so let's just create a variable. So you can install any editor, whatever you want, the VS Code or Anaconda. So I have Spider. So if I say marks, let's say is equal to 90. So you can see this is a variable. Here is the marks. It's the name of that variable, and we assign 90 value to that variable. Okay, let's go to our presentation. So let's discuss Python variable. Python variable has no additional commands to declare a variable. As we see in our editor, we just name that variable and we assign value to it. So as soon as the value is assigned to it, the variable is declared. But there are certain rules that we have to keep in mind and we have to follow while declaring a variable. So variable name cannot start with a number. It can only start with a character or a underscore. Okay, if you want to create a variable with any number, let's start with any number. So first you have to enter underscore there, and then you can proceed with your number. If you want to name that variable with number. So the next thing we have to keep in mind, variables in Python code are case sensitive. So you should not confuse with this, and you have to keep in mind that variables in Python are case sensitive, and they can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores, and no special character are allowed. Let's go back to our editor. For example, if I want to start it with any number and we assign value to it, so it will give the error. So if you want to start it with any number, you have to place underscore there first. And for the case sensitive things, for example, if you create a variable marks here and you want to print marks, but I put here M capital marks, so it will give me the error. So Python language is case sensitive, and especially when we are creating the variables, we have to keep in mind that our variable created with small m. So later we are calling that variable, we should keep that thing in mind. Okay, let's go back to our presentation. So these are the things we have to keep in mind while creating the variables. So I think you understand what is Python variable, and I try to explain in very simple words. Our next topic is Python data types. So what are Python data types? So in general language, what are data? You can say the data is a set of information. So if we have some information in data format, definitely that data will have some type. For example, if we have a data of student names, the student names are in text. For example, Khan, Ali, and something like that. So if we have a data of marks, the data is in numbers. So Python language have some data types. According to the properties they possess, they have mainly 6 Python data types, but it have a seventh data type which we will use for further, and I'll explain to you in later videos. So here we have 6 data types: numerical data types, strings data types, list data types, tuples, set, and dictionary. Okay, we will discuss these one by one. So first of all, the numerical data types in Python. Numerical data types, as we see the name numerical, so what comes in our mind is there will be some numbers in the data. So numerical data type hold numerical values. In numerical data, there are 4 subtypes as well. So we'll see following are the subtypes of numerical data type. So you can see on your screen there are 4 numerical data types: integer types, float, complex numbers, and the booleans. Don't worry, I'll explain one by one, but I think this video is being long, so we will discuss these things in our next video. Stay tuned and we'll meet soon. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe my channel and like the video. If you think I am not doing well, then please comment on my video and let me know how can I improve.